sunlight's dancing through the blinds. The day is waiting on the line, just outside.
My soon-to-be wife, we're finally here on a day we've talked about for years. A love of 11 years, bottled up and celebrated today. I will never forget the younger days of being nervous to talk to you. Now I'll be standing at the altar waiting for my beautiful bride to walk down. You've been a gift not only to me but my family. I promise to be your biggest supporter and will strive to be the husband I know you deserve. I love you, gentlemen, and I cannot wait to see my beautiful bride. Your soon-to-be husband, Bailey.
Now cars are passing and birds are laughing as trees are holding up the sky. In the window, do they
My soon-to-be husband. I can't believe this day is finally here, where I get to marry you and become Mrs. Seward. I promise to love you unconditionally, to put you first in our marriage. We have dreamed of this day for a very long time, and today we get to start this next chapter in our lives together. I love you, Bailey. You are my everything, and all I've ever dreamt in my husband to be.
always be my love? Will you always be my love? Will you always be my love? Will you always be my love? My love, my love, my
Once maybe years you reminisce what you would have, could have changed.
I, Bailey, take you, Jenna, to be my wife. I vow to be your biggest fan, partner in crime. I promise to support a family with you in a home filled with patience, love, and understanding. I vow to grow old with you. I will love you faithfully and unconditionally through good times and in bad. What may come, I promise to be there with you as I give my life to you.
It takes a sign. Life from start, I dream from the honeycomb. Now you're in the
I, Jenna, take you, Bailey, to be my husband. I vow to be your biggest fan and partner in crime. I promise to support a family with you in a home filled with patience, love, and understanding. I vow to grow old with you. I will love you faithfully and unconditionally through good times and in bad. What may come, I promise to always be there with love as I give my life to you.
Bailey, you may kiss your bride.
Every night I crawl in bed.
Jenna, it warms my heart so much to officially call you a daughter. Joni and I have loved you like a daughter for so many years, and I feel so blessed to embrace that title. So thank you. Bailey, your personality is so passionate about things. This passion shows through to your bride. You have immersed yourself with your love to her and learned so much from her, and it shows. So please raise your glasses. Bailey and Jenna, go out in this marriage knowing the joys of family and what the blessings that come for many years to come. And always, always keep the true meaning of the love that you have for each other right now close to your heart, always.
We should stay, but you don't. And I can't keep my eyes closed. You come and you go. We should stay, but you don't. And I can't keep my eyes closed. Wrote a pretty song for you.
So everybody raise your glass and give the two happy couple a toast.
Body back to sleep so I can.
Truly, you are and have been like a brother for as long as I can remember, and I can't envision a better partner for Jenna. You remind Jenna to slow down, embrace the moment, and go with the flow. I love how much brighter her smile is because of you. Thank you for being patient, goofy, and kind, caring, and sweet towards Jenna, and for making her the happiest she's ever been. She is lucky to have you, but so are we.
We should stay, but you won't. And I can't keep my eyes closed. Tell me if I'm wrong. You're not meant to stay locked inside my mind. But tell me if I'm wrong.
Overall, your guys' relationship is something to model after, and I've learned so much from both of you. And honestly, as people get older, typically, honestly, relationships get a little bit more distant, but I'm so happy that that hasn't been the case for us, that we've continued to grow closer and become really better friends every week. So thank you for that. So with that being said, let's raise our glasses up, give a toast to the bride and groom. Let's have a fun night and give it up for newly Mrs. and Mr. Seward.
You come and you go. We should stay, but you don't.